In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mega menu with images on Shopify. We'll start inside your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Content. This will expand a few more options underneath. From there, select Menus. This is where all your navigation menus live and where you'll set up the structure for your mega menu. You'll now see a list of your existing menus. You can either choose an existing one that you want to turn into a mega menu, or you can create a brand new one by clicking Create Menu at the top right of the list. If you're unsure, creating a new menu is a safe way to experiment without affecting your live navigation. Inside the menu editor, click Add Menu Item. Give this first item a clear label, for example, apparel, and then choose where it should link to, such as all products or a main collection. Once you've selected the link, click the check icon on the right to confirm. Next, click Add Menu Item again. This time you're adding an item that will be nested under that main apparel menu. Label it with a specific product or collection name, then link it directly to that product or collection and click the check icon. Repeat this process for as many nested menu items as you like, adding one item at a time and assigning each a relevant link. To actually nest these items, hover over the two vertical dots to the left of a menu item. Click and drag it slightly to the right until you see it become indented under the main item. That indentation indicates it's now a sub-menu item. Do the same for all the menu items you want to appear inside the mega menu. When your structure looks right, click Save at the bottom right or near the top. Now let's connect this menu to your store's header. On the left panel, click Online Store, then click Edit Theme on your current theme. This opens the theme editor. In the theme editor, look for your header section and click the small arrow to expand it. Then click on the menu block to open its settings. If there isn't a menu selected yet, click the Select button beside Menu and choose the menu you just created. If a menu is already connected, open the drop-down, choose Replace, and pick your new menu. Scroll until you find the sub-menu feature settings. Under that, you'll see Media Type. Open the drop-down and choose how you want images to appear: collection images, featured products, or a featured collection. Each option pulls images differently, so pick the one that best matches your design. Now look at the live preview on the right. Hover over the main menu item that has nested items. You should now see a mega menu appear with images based on the media type you chose. If everything looks good, don't forget to click Save at the top right to publish your changes.